It went in your room. I want to record it, but it went over there. There's a hummingbird in the house. Oh shit! It better not get hit by the fan. Turn off the fan. Turn off your fan. Man, this hummingbird's too fast. I don't want it to hit in my face. Where'd it go? I would think it would be like in the window. It's probably super scared. I don't know where it went. No, because they stay up high.
What if it's in my closet?
No. I doubt it. Oh shit! It's on the wall!
Where?
It was like on your poster. Now like it went down. And it's like right there by your chair. Oh, poor hummingbird.
You want to learn how to game too? Oh, I see it.
You see it?
What is it doing?
I don't know.
It
It's
better not be
scared.
pooping.
It's not pooping, it's just scared. Come here, hummingbird. This way.
Birdie.
This way. You don't listen. Good thing Ginger's not in here. Probably ate it already. Come here, this way.
A bird.
You don't listen. Turn off your fan.
What if I make it noise?
What if you don't make noise?
I don't know.
What if you don't make noise? That's a better idea. Because it's probably going to knock itself out.